Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Etsy presets in your Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add Etsy presets in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, you can see different kind of raw photos in my gallery. These are some presets I have. It works as the presets in Etsy. You can simply buy the presets from Etsy. Once you have ordered them, you'll be able to find them in your gallery just like this. Now, to use this preset, simply click on the preset and now click here on these three dots and click on copy settings and click here to confirm. Now, open the photo that you want to add this effect to. For now, I'll choose this photo. And again, click on the three dots and click on paste setting. And as you can see, I have applied the settings of another preset in this picture just like this. And just like that, we can add Etsy presets in our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.